Hi everybody, I'm Master Trainer Jennifer Nicole Lee. I'm here to help you de-stress, get grounded, improve your entire wellness. I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite poses. It's called the Eagle Pose. Stand together feet, inhale up, arms float down, right arm goes under the left, hands in prayer, pull them down. You want to squat, open up your right leg, it folds up and around your left. Now you want to get down as far as you can. The benefits of this pose are amazing. You're opening up your 14 major joints, improves your coordination, your focus, your balance, and it feels so good. You're really opening up the back of the spine. Inhale. Now do it to the other side. Woo! Remember, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Get as low as you can.